Jollibee. We're in a Jollibee. With my mom. When I order Jollibee with my mom. It's my mom. I'm gonna send this on the YouTube. She's serious. I'll see you if I get the food. I'll see you. Bye-bye. So the food is pagkain na. Pagkain na wala pa. Kakain tayo ng Jollibee. Kakain tayo ng Jollibee. I haven't posted a video because I overnight with my little sis in his house and his mother. And uy, aran na ba? Sabak na rin. Bye. I see you if I get the food. There's the food, guys. There's the food. I'ma take some high wings. There's the food. There's the food. There's the food. There's the food. Spaghetti. I like spaghetti. Oh, spaghetti. This is spaghetti. It's so hot. Spaghetti is so hot. We mix it. We need to mix it. Cravings. Okay? Oh. Yan na lang. And a burger.
Dito na ako, nasa balang.
Oh, ako. Alam din. I said, I'm gonna eat here.